wabici-inĩ nene cia rũhonge rwa ũthuthuria barabara-inĩ ya Kiambu nĩkuo mũbunge wa Pokot ya mũhũro David Pkosing arahungagĩrwo mahũri kwa makĩria ma mathaa matandatũ thutha wake kũnyitwo wabici-inĩ yake nyũmba-inĩ ya KICC akiuga maobitha arĩa maramũnyitire maramũgwetania na aici a mahiũ.
Mimi naambiwa ati nilishikia watoto bond ambao walikuwa very poor, watoto kutoka Masol, watoto ni wa Pokot na wamekondema hao kwamba ni criminals, na kwa hivyo hakuna mtu anataka wao kupatiwa bond. Na mimi nauliza kwa nini, na mimi najuaje hawa? Mimi hata sijui majina yao, hata mimi siwahi kukutana nao. What I know is they are innocent boys, and that is why the court had seen it fit wapatiwe bond pale Kitale. Mimi sikupatia hao bond, ni serikali.
He has never owned a white chopper, and it is all over that the alleged chopper that is supposed to be funding or transporting the bandits is white.
Augĩte we ndarĩ na thiriti o yothe na aici a mahiũ arĩa magithĩtie thayũ kaunti ya West Pokot, Samburu, Turkana, Baringo na Laikipia, akiuga nĩ eharĩirie kwĩneana kũrĩ maobitha a DCI ndagĩka o yothe athuthurio thutha wao kũmũrekereria.
Nichaguliwa na watu, na kama hao watu wanaumia mimi taongea. Na mimi nafikiri kuna watu wanasukuma hii maneno. Kuna mtu alinipigia simu jana na akaniambia Pkosing utaona. Na mimi nitakuja hapa kesho, baada ya kesho mimi I will name. Nitasema hiyo jina.
Mheshimiwa has accounted for all the days since this issue started. And that is why he has been released to go home.
Atongoria arĩa marathiĩte kũrũgama na ũmwe wao kuma kaunti ya West Pokot magwetanĩtie kũnyitwo gwa Pkosing na ũteti makĩregana na ndeto ciake atĩ nĩ arateithĩrĩria aici a mahiũ na njĩra o yothe, gũkũ makĩũria rĩothe mangĩkorwo na ũira o wothe ũmwĩgiĩ mandĩkithie riboti ceceni-inĩ o yothe ya borithi.
Whatever information the DCI has gotten probably is not right. They need to get their facts correct, and they need to get to the real issues that are affecting peace in that place.
Nothing but speculation and rumors, because wholeheartedly we are for peace and we are for coexistence with our neighbors.
And we want to say thank you to the DCI for releasing our Member of Parliament. We are happy as a team.
Thutha wake kũrekererio na kwĩrwo aroke kĩroko kĩa ũmũthĩ, erĩtwo acoke wabici-inĩ nene cia DCI thaa 10 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nĩguo ahũngwo mahũri makĩria, ona gũtuĩka augĩte hatirĩ mahĩtia o mothe mamuonete namo.
Kila mtu anajua namna hiyo. Mimi ni mtu ya amani. Na mimi sijawahi kuandika statement ya police anywhere in my life tangu mimi nizaliwe. Hii ni mara yangu ya kwanza tangu mimi nizaliwe. Hii ni tamu yangu ya 3 katika bunge, mimi sijaandika statement. Na hata wakinipigia mimi inakusema wewe kuja Mheshimiwa Pkosing, mimi ni peace, mimi nakuja.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wabui.